Hello everyone and welcome to Cyber. My name is Victor. Today we're doing another episode on cybersecurity for beginners, part of our course. And today we're going to focus a bit on the basics on the text editor, and it's going to be VIM. Why VIM? Well, just because I like VIM. No, it's because unlike the career of a developer, cybersecurity professional sometimes has to use the text editor that it's available. So you either get a reverse shell or you work on some weird, I don't know, computer or IoT device that doesn't have Visual Studio Code. So you have to learn the basic text editors. I would go with VI, but I haven't used it that much, so we have to compromise and use VIM. So yeah, there it goes. I'm using a layer in OBS now that it shows the keys that I'm typing, as you can see on the right side, and yeah, also the mouse. Apparently, there's that. Let's go right ahead. So we are in a folder that is empty. So we can just start Vim and name of file txt, and we are here. So what can we do now? Well, now we are in command mode. If we want to write something, we need to enter insert mode. Do that by pressing I, and then we can type. Right. So we have this text here, which we added. But most of our activity will be in command mode. So to go back from insert mode to command mode, you hit escape and you're back. Now, if you want to move to text, you can use the arrows, as you can see, or H for left, L for right, K for up, J for down. Okay, so yeah, this text is a bit small, so we need to make some text. Let me remove it. I deleted it with delete. Now let's run a command. So we are downloading. We can run commands. Let's write download Facebook. It downloaded and it showed the output here. Okay, but this is not what I want. I want the actual file. And here we have it. You see how fast we have inside test.txt the code, the HTML code of facebook.com. So let's save, WQ, save, and list. You see we have two files here, index.html and test.txt, and for some reason test.txt has an extra line, but regardless, it's basically the same. Let's go back into it. So now we have this file, which now is nicely displayed. It's an HTML file, and we can use Vim for a variety of things. So, for example, let's say I want to delete the first letter. Sorry. Oh no, I'm not in the window. Sorry. So let's delete the first letter. You see, I hit X, and it did. I'm not sure why it says page up is pressed because I don't have it pressed. Let's hit X again. Oh, no, it's yeah, okay. Page up. Yeah, I'm not pushing page up if that's not the. So let me pause this for a second. Okay, so I don't know what's wrong now, but it doesn't matter. So please ignore the page up. Ah, okay. For some reason. Okay, it doesn't matter. So let's go back to our stuff. As I was saying, X deletes things, right? And U restores. Okay. So everything we deleted. Now, what if you want to delete 10 characters? You just write 10, let's say NX. I wrote 20. It deleted 20 characters. Let's do a undo. Let's say we just delete 4 so that we can see it. 4x removed 4, right? It's easy. What if you want to go down? Sorry. So J is down. What if you want to go down 3 rows? J. It went down 3 rows, right? You don't see the number of rows now, so we should do that. Set number. And now, as you can see, our lines are numbered, right? And let's say you have an error in, I don't know which line, right? You're here, so you want to go to 6, well, to 7, whatever. It added 1, so you went directly to this line. What else? Let's finish with the deletion. So you had small x, which deletes a letter, right? And then big X deleted like backspace. Okay, you see? Let's restore everything with you. What else is there? Let's say I delete the line. It's double. It deleted it. What if I want to repeat this action? Oh, well, I can do a double D again, but also I can do a D and arrow down, and it deletes the and we're back. And what if I want to copy this line? It's here. Oh, no, sorry, this was a change. No. So C removes and prepares for a change. Where were we? Yeah, so let's say we want to copy a line. It's double Y, and then I go here and I paste it. As you can see, oh, what's wrong? Why am I? Yeah, make it smaller because I can't see the. So you see how it pasted it? And if I want, I can 20 times paste it. You see, I wrote 20 MP and it pasted it. But what if I want to copy only the first word here? I say YW and then I paste. in this context, word is considered that thing. Although now, you see, because it takes like the word is, this is a word, and then HTML is a word. It works like that. What if I want to copy everything from here until the end? So I go Y, color. Oh no, sorry, now it's in insert mode, sorry. I'm not sure if, wait, I need to find my, yeah, it's 4. So, so Y shift 4, and then paste. You see, it copied from the cursor to the end. And now there's also an issue of where you paste. Like, let's say I paste here, and then if I go here, it's in a different. So small p adds it before, big P adds it. All right, so where are we? There's a lot of things you can do, and for example, you can use basically search, like you can use sed basically, and you can search for, replace it with 143, right? And you see, it changed it here. You can do a lot of stuff with it. All right, we'll go deeper into VIM maybe in future videos. It's just that you should know that, for example, you could edit, like work with entire blocks of text, or you can record macros, you can record something like a, yeah, like a macro, and then you replay it and it does the same things over and over again. Also, an interesting module you want is this, where you set paste, and afterwards if you paste things like from Stack Overflow or wherever, it keeps the format. It doesn't move text around or do any crazy things. One second, let me try to give you an example. Yeah, it's maybe, yeah. So we're back to where it was. I tried to show you the problem. Let me find some quick hello world type of code. Place with that bug, but yeah, I guess the code will work. I need a longer code. so it's too small. I don't know. Um, although it's just a let's try. And it's also perfect. Incredible. Let me. I'm trying to show a problem that I don't have. Let's try this code. Maybe this will get. No, it's also perfect. Well, what I'm trying to say is that sometimes when you copy code, it misaligns, like it puts this one way over there, and the way to fix that is set paste. Okay, not the greatest example for you guys, but it is what it is. As you know, I'm not very keen on editing my videos, so there's that. What else can I show you to make this video? How long is it already? It's been 16 minutes. Oh my, what have I been doing? 16 minutes. Yeah, so you can also, for example, you can set spell. You can also set back to no spell. You can save to a different name, and it saves it, no problem. You can also open sorry. You see, and it opened the other file and it just discarded the changes because I used the exclamation point. This is not this thing, the syntax. So now what you're seeing is the spell, and now it's clear. It's clean, okay? No syntax, no spelling, no nothing. It does seem to be, yeah, right out there. As I said, if you want to go down is J, up is K, right is L, but you can go 10 right, go there, right? BG is at the beginning. Let's say you're at the beginning and you want to go on line 10, column 5, right? So you go 9J, right? And column 5 would be 4, because you're moving 4, you're on 1 and you're moving 4 to the right, okay? And that's for when you find the error is in whatever line and you put it, you move to find it. Basically, this is it. There are a number of VIM tutorials you can find online. I'm gonna link one that I prefer. But you also need to remember that you basically can run all the commands that are in your path, so from inside VIM. Okay, so if you um, if you um, have things installed or whatever, you can directly pull the content inside. Now you can, if you grep, for example, it will filter all the lines that don't have script. Okay, so you're down to 15 lines. So grep affects the lines inside the file, not the folder you're in. Okay, unless you tell it to. So and then you also say grep head, and you're down to 2 lines probably, where the head starts and the head ends. But what if I want to cut this? You see, you can tap, you cut this one, and you see what I did here? So I took the file that was in the folder, and then I used the nom's gf to and the pattern URLs, and I have the URLs now. Okay, so now directly from Vim, there's no reason to do this, but I'm just showing you the capability. Directly from Vim, I can use these lines as input. I can say TPX, color, silent, title, status code, server, detect. Let's see what happens. So basically now what's happening, this is looping through all the lines. I hope so. Yeah, you see? So it looped through all the lines in Vim, and it passed them as parameters to HTTPX, and now you have a file with, well, you have a file, you have data in a buffer that you can save as a file. But let's say you have a file with the results of the running the HTTPX command on this. By the way, don't do this unless you are in scope. Please never test anything unless that website is in scope. But Facebook does have a bug bounty program, and you can at least visit the URLs, okay? Because we weren't doing anything here, we were sending payloads. So now you have this nice result. And then we can just write it to YouTube, and then we take it and get, let's see what, it's here. Great. That's it, guys. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to try to fix this page up thing. So remember, everything you saw here was without the page up. I don't know what I pressed to do this. I'm going to need to modify my HTML code for this layer. If you want the layer, let me know. Have a good